All right, Mark, let's see how well you do with the 15 numbered squares and the clock now set at 40 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
Thank you. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
Nope.
7, 6.
Yep.
10, 12.
No.
3, 10.
Yes.
13, 15.
No.
2, 13.
No.
2, 15.
Yes.
5, 13.
Yes.
8, 1.
No.
4, 11.
Yes.
14, 9.
Yes.
8, 1.
No.
8, 12. 1, 12.
Yep. All right, Mark. What a day for this young man. Happy 4th of July. Gene, tell him.
Mark, you've just won this Plymouth Sundance 3-door liftback. Features a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and front-wheel drive. Furnished by Plymouth, a prize worth over $8,200.
Happy 4th indeed. $17,691. A break for us. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive the Vitavac. Is designed to remove pollen, ragweed, dust, and other allergens from your home while you vacuum. You'll love the way it cleans the air while it cleans your home. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
If there's a bustle in your hedgerow, don't be alarmed now. It's just a spring clean for the May Queen. Yes, there are 2 paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road you're on.